In the world of high-demand scaling events, success disasters have become increasingly common, causing significant disruptions for companies and their customers. Taylor Swift's Eras Tour ticket sale is a prime example of this, as the overwhelming demand caused Ticketmaster to crash. Even SeatGeek, a competitor responsible for ticket sales at 5 of the tour's 52 concerts, experienced technical difficulties due to the rush of eager fans. These technology failures, referred to as success disasters, are not isolated incidents. They extend beyond the music industry and affect various sectors. For instance, the release of Sony's PS5 and widespread outages experienced by AWS and Xfinity serve as reminders of the repercussions of technology failures during product and service scaling events. These failures can take various forms, from slow material delays to sudden cloud outages that erode customer trust. A startling statistic reveals that over 60% of companies using public cloud services reported losses due to outages in 2022. Spencer Kimball, CEO and co-founder of Cockroach Labs, a cloud-native database platform provider, emphasizes the importance of resilience in the face of such failures. Kimball, with prior engineering experience at Square and Google, understands the significance of preparedness. Ticketmaster's breakdown during their scaling event exemplifies one type of success disaster, where the system's capacity is overwhelmed. Other scenarios include data center accessibility issues due to power or networking failures or technology incapability that necessitates swift adjustments to meet customer expectations. The aftermath of these failures is equally challenging for companies. Conducting postmortems to understand what went wrong is common, but it consumes valuable time and resources. Despite their frequency, success disasters remain unacceptable, particularly for companies offering essential products or services. In certain industries like big banks and financial services, regulations are beginning to mandate survivability even in the event of cloud failures. Portability and the ability to restore services quickly are becoming critical requirements. To avoid success disasters, organizations can learn from experts like Masa Kabayama, CEO and co-founder of Uplift Labs, who specializes in scaling technology. Kabayama recommends a 3-step approach when incorporating new technologies during scaling: buy-in, onboarding, and usage. Buy-in necessitates support from executives, managerial advocates, and grassroots evangelists. Onboarding requires a comprehensive focus on education to ensure customers have a deep understanding of the technology's applicability to their problems. Usage involves tracking which features are being utilized and making iterative improvements based on feedback from early adopters. Kabayama emphasizes that this process is not rigid and requires balancing maintenance of existing features with the implementation of new ones. Spencer Kimball adds that over-indexing in capacity testing is a crucial preventative measure, enabling organizations to prepare for outlier events. While overhauling legacy technology may not always be feasible due to budget constraints, organizations must decide how to implement necessary changes. The choice between incremental changes and a complete overhaul depends on the starting point and anticipated scaling events. For example, the Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo's director of ticketing, Paula Urban, chose an incremental approach to handle their 2.4 million guests. She split ticket sale launch times and implemented a virtual waiting room to combat scalpers and ensure genuine fans had a fair opportunity to secure the best seats. Scalper bots that targeted Ticketmaster during Taylor Swift's ticket sales serve as a reminder of the importance of proactive measures. Urban's approach illustrates how learning from past success disasters can inform strategies to prevent future disruptions. In the ever-evolving landscape of scaling events, there is no ultimate endpoint. Organizations with an iterative and innovative culture are better equipped to enhance the user experience and mitigate the impact of success disasters, according to Kabayama.